The philosophical paradox of science lies in the fact that science has to plunge into philosophical depth in order to be aware of its own philosophy. Otherwise, the naivety of science prevents science from being critical of its premises, which form the basis for the results of scientific activities. And this is why the English 20th century mathematician and philosopher Alfred Whitehead rightly remarks that no science can be more secure than the unconscious metaphysics which tacitly it presupposes. And the individual thing is necessarily a modification of its environment and cannot be understood in disjunction. So all reasoning apart from some metaphysical references is subsequently vicious. And what does science in this context owe to philosophy? This question can be given a concrete, direct answer. Not only the methodology of science, but also the related conceptual definitions and even the very concepts such, as well as their interrelationships. So it turns out that not only the rules of the game, but also the whole set of tools are taken from philosophy. However, it would be a mistake to believe, based on the foregoing, that science simply could start the game and thereafter just analyze what comes out of it. In the course of scientific research, conclusions are drawn, which in turn interact with the rest of the whole conceptual system of the world, and accordingly mutually change along with the entire world.